Coaches were not even our target when we built our CRM system a year ago. But I live in Dubai and I have so many friends, they are coaches, and they all told me, oh, I don't want to do Kajabi, ClickFunnels, Calendly, this, that, and the other. They had like 12 different platforms that they had to make work with each other. So after the first two told me that, I was like, hey, all of that stuff, whatever you need, can be done in our system internally. I'm talking about all of this stuff, everything. The client replies to your social media post, gets an automated answer in the comments and in the DM, gets pulled into your funnel, onto your sales page, onto your free lead magnet. The automated answer and the sending of the link is done in our automations. No ManyChat needed. They land on a landing page or a sales page or a funnel that's built in our system, hosted on our system. The lead will sign in to the free lead magnet on a form on our landing page, in our form that you generate in our system or that's generated in our system, which captures the lead and sends via another automation the free lead magnet. You receive a notification that you have a new lead. The lead automatically will be tagged, will be saved, will receive a welcome email, will receive his free lead magnet, and will automatically put in a category that he has received the free lead magnet, and he will also receive further newsletters. So in the newsletters, which we also send in our system, you can sell your product, your mini course, your whatever. You can sell your not final product, but the mid-price product. If the client decides whatever you send him in the newsletter sounds pretty interesting and he clicks, he will then land again on a sales page, funnel page from our system, and again can purchase your product within the forms and pages attached in Orbit CRM in our system. Let's say it is a course. Our system will recognize that he bought it, and once he paid, he will automatically receive access to your membership course, to your membership community, to your course, which is also hosted, you guessed it, in our system. Let's say you also have a one-on-one call, but people sign up to like a sales call, like an information call before that. So on one of the other emails that your client, because he's not a lead anymore, receives, you will offer your free consultation call as kind of warming them up to the one-on-one coaching. Instead of receiving a Calendly link, they receive a link to, you guessed it, another landing page in our system where they can book this call. Once they book the call, automatically from our system, they get a confirmation email, they get a reminder email 24 hours before, 1 hour before, 5 minutes before, and you get a confirmation email and you get an entry into your calendar that you have linked before. So as you see, when it comes to coaches, everything that you can think of is included in Orbit CRM. And here's the best part. If you're a coach and you subscribe to Orbit CRM, you will get all of that, what I just told you, for free, prepared for you, with generic texts that fits all of your needs, that fits all of your clients. So the system takes automatically the names from your clients. It will take automatically the name of your courses. It will automatically take the names of your calendars, of the calls that you have, the meetings, etc., etc. It has everything including. So when you download it, all you have to do is link all your social media, link your email, or actually set your email up in the system. But we have great explanation tools, get it started tab, which leads you through the complete process. And on top of all of that, we have an AI embedded assistant called Ask AI. You can ask AI how many people you have in certain stages of your pipelines. You can ask AI to create new contacts or do certain tasks for you in our system. You can also ask AI to create content for you or write your captions, because what's also included, you can post and schedule all your social media content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Threads, all through our system. You can send out email newsletters, system emails, invoicing goes through our system. If you contact your PayPal or Stripe, you can also collect money through our system. And last but definitely not least, you can collect your reviews right through our system. If a client had a call with you or 2 weeks ago signed up for your membership, the system automatically will send them an email, ask them to please record a video testimonial, which can be done right there in this email on our portal. So you receive this video testimonial right there in the system, and from the system you can generate sections for websites, either our internal websites or the website wherever you have it, and take the section, embed it. So once someone submitted a video testimonial, it will be shown right there automatically. You don't have to do anything. And in the second email they get, if they didn't want to record a video testimonial, you send them your Google, Trustpilot, whatever link, so they can write a review for you. So with that being said, if you're tired of linking all the different software and platforms together, Calendly, Kajabi, whatever it calls, and if you want one system with everything integrated, come to Orbit CRM, link below. And if you want some more information, please also click the other link below and book a free consultation call with myself.